Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute ice pop. You'll need something to draw with. Let's get started. To begin, we're going to make a U shape for the stick. And it's going to be a really slim U. So you're going to make your way down, curve, and then go down again. There you go. I'm just having it meet in the middle. And of course I messed up. I'm just going to fix the stick up really quick. Next we're going to draw the ice pop. So we're going to go from, let me think of a good place. Okay, let's start from here. So we're going to make kind of like a weird looking L in the beginning. And then we're going to make our way around. So I'm going to start right here in the middle. I'm going to connect my ice pop stick. And then I'm going to go up right there, just in case you need a break. Now I'm going to make a big N arching over. So I'm just going to kind of start here from where I already began, going around, over, and down. There we go. I'm going to go over this ice pop a couple more times just so my outline is really thick. Okay, I'm going to grab a pink marker, but you can grab whatever color you like. And we're going to make swirly lines going up and down, and stop. That's to break up our ice pop color. And just in case you miss it, we can go up and down, like a roller coaster, up and down, and a little up. There we go. Now let's draw a face. You can get your pencil or marker back. I'm going to make a little tiny circle right here with an even tinier circle in the inside. An even tinier circle. And I'm going to quickly just color this in. If you like, you can wait till later to color yours in. Now that the eye is colored in, let's get a cute little eye on the other side. Just a little smile right there. Another big smile. There you have it. Our ice pop is done and ready to get colored in. Thank you for drawing with me today. For coloring, you can use any color you like. And let's get ready to color. Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.